In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and click on Autofill with Google here. Finally, after choosing Google Password Manager, you can click on any password you wish to get rid of. Enter your screen lock, hit the Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!